If you've got a complex portfolio with real estate, stocks, crypto, maybe even some international assets, this video is for you. Because what happened to Howard, a retired engineer from Arizona with $1.4 million in retirement accounts, might just change the way you think about protecting your wealth. But we'll get to Howard in a second. First, look at what's going on right now. The IMF just slashed its global growth forecast again. US Treasury yields are swinging wildly. China and Russia have doubled their gold reserves in the last 18 months. And closer to home, inflation still isn't under control. Now, if your portfolio spans multiple asset classes, you've probably felt it, this unease, because in an interconnected market, one bad sector can ripple through everything. Howard felt it too. After 35 years working in aerospace, he thought he was done worrying about the markets. His portfolio was diversified, with equities, rental properties, and a small crypto allocation. But after watching a year of volatility and realizing his real estate values were falling while his equities took a hit, he said this: "I didn't want to be the smartest guy on the Titanic." So what did he do? He rolled over $427,000 from a traditional IRA into a gold IRA. And the first step wasn't buying a single ounce of gold. It was just getting educated. Now I'm going to break down exactly why retirees like Howard, especially those with complex high-value portfolios, are turning to gold IRAs right now, and why they're doing it not as a panic move, but as a strategic rebalancing tool. Reason 1, gold adds frictionless balance. When your portfolio is already heavy with volatile assets, stocks, crypto, maybe international exposure, gold acts like a pressure valve. It doesn't need to skyrocket to be valuable. It just needs to not crash when everything else does. That's exactly what Howard saw during the last tech correction. His gold allocation remained flat while his equities dropped 18%. Reason 2, a gold IRA protects your tax-advantaged gains. Most high net worth investors already know this. But let's say it clearly. A gold IRA is not a taxable event. It's just a rollover. So you're not cashing out your IRA. You're moving part of it into physical gold held in custody, still under the IRS-approved umbrella. No penalties, no taxes, just a safer, inflation-hedged pocket inside your retirement plan. Reason 3, complexity demands simplicity. When you manage multiple accounts, properties, maybe a family trust, it becomes overwhelming. That's why people like Howard love gold IRAs, because while everything else fluctuates daily, your gold just sits there. Quiet, solid, real. It's simplicity inside complexity. A fixed foundation when everything else moves. And here's the truth. Howard didn't do this because he was afraid. He did it because he had a plan for the next 30 years. He wanted to protect not just his money, but the legacy he's leaving to his grandkids. And the whole journey? It started with one thing: getting a free gold IRA guide and speaking with someone who didn't try to sell him. Just a calm, pressure-free, educational call to understand his options. And now it's your turn. If you have over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k and you want to explore whether a gold IRA makes sense for your unique situation, get your free gold IRA guide and book your no-obligation call today. There are no gimmicks, no free silver traps, just real information from real professionals who specialize in helping retirees protect what they've built. You've worked hard. You've built a complex, valuable portfolio. Now it's time to make sure it's protected for you and for the next generation. So click the link, get the free guide, and take that first step, just like Howard did. Because peace of mind is the most valuable asset of all.